Did you know you could turn just $500 into up to $5,000 a month using Forex trading right from your laptop? In this video, I'll show you how beginners in the USA, UK, Canada, and Australia are legally and safely making serious money trading currencies online. Welcome back to Money Mastery Insights, your go-to channel for high-paying online income, smart investing strategies, and ways to grow your wealth fast. If you're ready to earn more, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Today, we're diving deep into the Forex trading secrets that could absolutely skyrocket your monthly income. First things first, what is Forex? It's the world's largest financial market, with over $7 trillion moving through it every single day. That massive volume means huge opportunities for anyone willing to learn. The best part, even as a beginner, you can start with as little as $100. With the right strategies, you can scale that up to thousands per month. Here's the basic idea. You trade currency pairs, like the euro versus the US dollar or the British pound versus the US dollar. You simply predict whether the value of one currency will go up or down against the other. You can also use something called leverage to amplify your potential profits. But be careful, leverage also increases risk, so you have to manage it wisely, and I'll show you exactly how. Ready to get started? Here's your 4-step plan. Step 1. Open a trusted Forex trading account. Platforms like MetaTrader, eToro, and Forex.com are perfect for beginners and are widely available in the USA, UK, Canada, and Australia. They're regulated and user-friendly, which is exactly what you need. Step 2. Learn to read the charts and identify trends. Don't get overwhelmed. Start with simple indicators like moving averages and support and resistance levels. This helps you make informed trades based on data, not just on gut feelings or guesswork. Step 3. Start small. This is crucial. Begin by trading with microlots until you build your confidence and have a proven strategy. Many beginners start by earning a solid $50 to $200 per week. Once you master your approach, you can scale up towards that $5,000 a month goal, or even more. Step 4. Automate your trades. Once you're comfortable, you can explore using reliable trading bots or copy trading platforms. This allows you to earn passive income, freeing up your time to focus on other high-paying online opportunities or just enjoy life. So, if you're serious about starting Forex trading in 2025, follow these steps, stay disciplined, and always start with small, manageable investments. Remember, Forex can be extremely high-paying, but only when you trade smart. If you found this video helpful, do me a favor and smash that like button. Subscribe for more weekly high RPM money-making strategies, and drop a comment below telling me which Forex strategy you want me to break down next. Thanks for watching, and start making money today.